Hey guys, how are you? In this video, I'm going to talk about the Mate 20 Pro's top-notch features, and let me remind you that the Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro are launching on October 16, which is tomorrow in London, and I'll make a video about that event too. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified about my future videos. Now let's get right into the video. So the first thing of my video will obviously be the Kirin 980 processor. I have made a complete video about the Kirin 980 processor and the link is in the description. I have also made a video about the Mate 20 Pro, but this video is concentrated on the features that the Mate 20 Pro will have. Let me briefly tell you about the Kirin 980. The Kirin 980 is the first 7nm processor, and it will also support 5G connectivity. The CPU and the GPU of this processor is Mali G76 and Cortex A76. The second thing is the in-screen fingerprint scanner. Leaks suggest that both the Mate 20 and the Mate 20 Pro will have an in-screen fingerprint scanner, and Qualcomm's ultrasonic scanner will be used for that purpose. That can work when greasy or wet. The third thing is the curved display. Leaks suggest and the leaked images show that the Mate 20 Pro will have a curved display just like the Note 9. So the fourth thing is the display. The display will be a 6.9-inch OLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution. The fifth feature is the Mate 20 Pro's battery. The battery capacity of the Mate 20 Pro will be 4200 mAh. The sixth thing is the voice recognition, which is an amazing feature if it is used by Huawei in their upcoming flagship, the Mate 20 Pro. And along with that, a 3D facial recognition just like in the iPhone X. The seventh amazing feature is the wireless charging. If the leaks are true, the Huawei Mate 20 Pro can be used as a wireless charging stand for the earbuds, and it also supports wireless charging itself. The last feature of the Mate 20 Pro is the cameras. The AI camera zoom, which automatically adjusts the zoom so that the object remains in focus, and the AI cinema mode, which adds filters to your videos while you're recording, and the video bokeh mode that will allow you to blur your background while recording your videos. Okay guys, that's all for today. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notifications so that you can get notified about my future videos. Peace out.